Ang next part po ng aming business plan ay organizational plan. So,
Ang form ng business namin is partnership.
kaya po namin napili yung partnership kasi po since lahat po kami ay owners, para po hindi lang po iisa yung gagawa ng decision. Para po lahat ng decision na gagawin po namin sa aming company or business ay shared po yung gagawin po naming mga decision making. Para po meron po kami equality sa paggawa po ng mga decisions at para po for the improvement po of our business. So, ang liability po of the owners or owners, ang napili po naming liability is limited liability. So, bakit po ba namin yung napili? Kasi kaya po namin napili yung limited liability para po in terms po na magkaroon po ng problema sa aming business is hindi po maapektuhan lahat po ng ari-arian ng business. Para po in terms po na sakaling isa lang po sa amin yung magkaroon ng problema, hindi po madadama yung iba. So, sa organizational structure nyo naman po namin ay makikita nyo po dyan sa picture na yung organizational structure po namin, yung owners at yung iba't iba pong mga roles and responsibilities. So, since nabanggit na po natin ang roles and responsibilities, punta na po tayo sa roles and responsibilities. Sa roles and responsibilities, andito po ang head of operations, which is ako po. So, ang gagawin po ng head of operations, siya po yung parang tagapamahala po lahat po ng mga gagawin and lahat po ng mga mangyayari po sa business po namin. Next naman po is culinary team, led by Rowin Modesto. So, ang gagawin po no ng culinary team is they will craft high-quality treats as per the menu, ensuring consistency and excellence, adhere to hygiene and safety standards during food preparation, collaborate with the head of operations to introduce innovative culinary offerings. So, sa service team naman po, led by Raymond Tawat, service team will provide outstanding customer service, managing orders efficiently, and operating the cashier. Maintain a welcoming, customer-focused environment within the establishment, and collaborate with the culinary team to ensure seamless order fulfillment. So, sa customer experience naman po, partner po sila ng service team, which is ang customer experience po is still will be led by Raymond Tawat. So, ang customer experience naman po, they will interact with customers to address inquiries, provide assistance, and ensure a positive experience. Manage and analyze customer service, implementing improvements based on insights. They will also collaborate with the service team to enhance overall customer satisfaction. So, sa head of marketing sales naman po, it will be led by R. Chris Patrick Balingbing. So, ang trabaho po ng head of marketing sales, he will develop and execute marketing strategies to enhance brand visibility and attract customers. He will also manage the sales team, overseeing order processing and customer relations. He will also collaborate with other departments to align marketing efforts with operational capabilities. So, ang next naman po na role ay finance and administration, which will be led by Arman Kapati, pero wala po siya ngayon. So, ang gagawin niya naman po ay siya yung mag-handle ng mga financial transactions, siya ang magme-maintain ng mga accurate records, at siya naman po ang magmamanage ng mga administrative tasks. Siya naman din po ang mag-ensure ng compliance with financial regulation and standards. Siya rin po ang mag-collaborate with the head of operations to align financial strategies with operational goals. So, sa culinary development naman po, which is parang part pa rin po siya ng culinary team namin. And under din po siya ng head of marketing and sales. Yung culinary development po ay will still be led by Rowin Modesto. So, ang gagawin po niya, he will lead the culinary innovation team to develop and refine the menu offerings. He will ensure high standards of quality control and consistency in culinary creation. He will also collaborate with the marketing team to promote new culinary offerings effectively. So next po is the salary requirements. So kung titignan nyo po dyan ma'am sa business plan po namin, yung salary requirements po namin is merely hypothetical. So hindi pa po to yung talagang tunay na salary requirements po namin. It is just the projections kung paano po namin gagawin or kung paano po kami magdi-distribute ng mga sahod po ng mga trabahador po namin. And sa amin na rin po. So, nakalagay din po dyan yung SSS contribution, Pag-ibig contribution, at PhilHealth contribution. So, sa personal policies and benefits naman po namin, salaries shall be paid every 15th and 30th day of the month. Payment of wage and salary shall be made at the place of the business. All employees have monthly contributions to SSS, Pag-ibig, and PhilHealth. Shifting of schedules of employees. Employees shall be given 30 minutes for lunch break successively and 15 minutes for coffee break. Office hours should be 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The operation of the business is daily. Each employee shall be provided his or her uniform with business logo. And that's for our organization plan po, ma'am.